Today, we're all going, my mom, my sisters, Dawn, and I, we're all going to Splash. So let's do this. We're all going to head into Splash here, and we're going to have a great time, aren't we?
Yes, yes, yes.
Woohoo! Okay, so we just made it inside a Splash. We're gonna let this adventure begin. It's gonna be kind of hard to film Splash because of all the water and the camera equipment, but hey, it's Jamie! Going to Splash!
Yeah!
Look at the lazy river. Look at all those tubes. And there's the wave pool. Are you at Splash? Are you having fun at Splash? I bet. Fire Tower Falls. Over here is the general pool area called the Cascades. Really nice little pool to come over and just cool off in. It's got beautiful little waterfalls over here. You can actually go underneath and swim. As you can see, it's pretty cool. What do you think, Dawn? Yeah, Splash is awesome. There's so much to do here. It's great. River Rush. And then this is Big Bear Falls here. Huge, huge water slides. But all right, let's go check out the. Got these pools with these great big butterfly canopies. Here's one of those cabanas. Pretty cool. Got those big, huge coverings over there, butterflies. Beautiful. Pool here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's shaped as a butterfly. See that? That's cool. You got beautiful landscaping here. Got a bunch of cool water slides here. Swift Water Run. And this is one of them family where you get everybody in the tube. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to take you out of the gimbal here, so the footage is going to get a little shaky. I'm going to put you in a waterproof case, so the sound might even get a little funky, but we'll see if it works. We're just floating down the lazy river. Woohoo! You having fun, huh?
Oh yeah, I love it. I love Dollywood Splash.
What are you doing? Hiding from me? You don't want to be on the YouTubes, huh? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
I bet.
We all float down here.
Well, we remember what old... Ah! Whoa! Whoa! I spun around, I got hit the jets. You're in the wave pool. What do you think about the wave pool? What do you think about the wave pool?
Pretty awesome.
Whoa! It's nice and cloud covered today, so it's not too hot. You know? Ooh, the water is cold. What do you think so far?
Really good. Feels really good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
This pool here is cold.
I don't think it's cold. I think it's fine.
Yeah, once you get used to it, it's not so bad.
I got right in.
Yeah, she jumped right in. I was like, too cold. Well, that's going to be it for today here at Splash. So, what did you think about Splash today?
I had a good time.
Yeah, it was a great time. There was a lot of people here for a Sunday, so it was hard to get on any of the slides and all that. So, okay. Well, with that being said, if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you don't miss any more of these upcoming Smoky Mountain adventures. And there's going to be plenty of Dollywood and maybe some Splash around the corner. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.